Welcome to this video. But before we start, let us have a look at this scenario. Suppose you have stored the marks of your friend Sam in this list. Now, can you tell how much did he score in history or in geography? No, you cannot until you have the data where you have stored which subject marks are stored at which index. If we have this data, we can easily answer that since history is stored at index 1, we can say that Sam scored 36 marks in history. But there are a few problems with this approach. Many a times, this data is not available or very hard to create. Second, sometimes we do not want our data to have a sequence. For example, in the previous example, it does not matter whether history marks are stored after geography or before it. Also often, we want our data to be accessed by names. For example, like finding the history marks using the history word and not index. All of these questions can be answered using Python's another data structure called dictionary. So this is how dictionary is going to solve our problem. Instead of indexes, marks are stored using names or keys as we call them in dictionaries. So geography, history, mathematics, physics and chemistry are the keys, and 45, 36, 54, 78 and 44 are the values corresponding to these keys. Now that we know how dictionary can help us solve our problem, let's see what are the topics that we are going to cover about dictionary. First, we are going to discuss what a dictionary is. Second, we'll see how we can access elements of a dictionary. Then we will discuss how we can add elements to a dictionary and remove elements from a dictionary. Let's discuss about each of these topics in detail. So, what is a dictionary? A dictionary is an unordered data structure where elements are stored as key-value pair. The key-value pair is separated by colon, while the elements are separated by comma. The entire dictionary is enclosed within curly brackets. This is one example of a dictionary where value is a number. So, in this dictionary, Ramesh is the key and 150 is its value. Similarly, Suresh is the key and 146 is its corresponding value. We can also have other data types in place of numbers in the values. For example, this is another dictionary where value is a list. So for this key Ramesh, the values is this list of two numbers, which is 150 and 46. Now let's see how we can access elements of a dictionary. Elements in a dictionary are accessed by keys rather than index. So let's see what happens when we try to access this dictionary, that is dict2, using index rather than keys. So when we access this dictionary using index, we get an error because this is not how elements are stored inside dictionaries. Instead, the elements are stored using keys. So if you want to access details of Suresh, we can do something like dict2, the name of the dictionary, then the square brackets and the name of the key whose value we want. So when we do something like dict2 Suresh, it returns its value, which is a list of two numbers 146 and 58. Now let's move on to how we can add elements to a dictionary. Let us try and add a single element to a dictionary first. So this is the dictionary that we'll be working on. To add a single element, we can do something like dict2, the name of the key that we want and the value that we want to add. So operations such as dict2 Neeraj equal to a list of two numbers 176 and 75 will add this value and this key to the existing dictionary. So when we print dict2, we can see that there is an entry named Neeraj that is added to the dictionary. Now what if you want to add multiple elements to a dictionary? We can also add multiple elements to a dictionary using the update function. So this update function takes a dictionary as an input. So for example, I can add two key value pairs, first Sunil and Disha, to this existing dictionary using the update function. And when I do so, these two values, Sunil and Disha, get added to the dictionary. This was all about how we can add elements to a dictionary. Now, what if we want to delete elements from a dictionary? This is the dictionary that we'll be working on. Deleting an element in a dictionary is very much similar to that of a list. But Here, instead of the index, we pass in the key that we want to delete from the dictionary. So for example, if I want to delete the details of Ramesh, I can do something like delete, that is del, dict2 and Ramesh. So it will delete the Ramesh key value pair from the dictionary. So now our dictionary looks like this, where it has Suresh and Sudesh details. So this was all about dictionaries. In the next video, we'll see how we can implement these concepts in Jupyter Notebook. Thank you.